Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all hidden modes available on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first one is the developer options. In order to access it, we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to about phone. Over here go to device identifiers and tap on build number several times until you need to verify yourself. And after that you should see the text, you are now a developer. And if you go back and go to system, then over here you will find developer options. The next thing that I want to show you is the safe mode. So you want to go to the power menu, and then you want to press and hold your finger on the restart option, and then you have the option to go to safe mode. And if you press OK, the device will restart and you will be in the safe mode. So you don't have to press the power button or anything to turn on this device. The device will pretty much restart by itself. And there we go, we are in the safe mode. Now in this mode, widgets or apps are not working, at least those that are installed by, let's say, the Play Store. And if you want to exit the safe mode, you can simply restart the device. So you can go back to the power menu and then you can press restart. Now the next thing that I want to show you is actually the fast boot mode and the recovery mode. So I'm not gonna restart now, I'm gonna just power off my device, and this is what you should do even if you are not in the safe mode. So regardless of the mode, if you are in the normal mode, you need to simply turn off your device. And then in order to go to the fast boot mode, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down the button at the same time. So if you press and hold it, then you will see the fast boot mode in a few seconds I mean, and there we go. Now we can use volume up in order to navigate up and volume down in order to go down. And if you want to select the specific option, you want to press the power button. And over here we can also find the recovery mode, so you can scroll up until you find recovery mode and then press the power button in order to go to recovery mode. But if you choose recovery mode, then of course at first you will see the hello moto, but in a short while you will see something like this, no commands. So now you want to press and hold the power button and then press volume up, and then you can release the power button. And there we go, now we have the recovery mode where we have several hidden options, and we can for instance do the factory reset through the recovery mode over here. If you want to exit the recovery mode, you can simply just reboot the system, so select the option and press the power button in order to confirm the selected option. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!